So the three functions of this oven are conventional, convection, and steaming. So when using this oven, you want to make sure that you have proper food handling attire, so long pants, closed-toed shoes, apron, and hair restraint in a bonnet. Go over the safety features. So the first thing that you want to do is over here, make sure that the hood fan is on, and it's the second switch here on the left. Alright, so now that you can hear it's on, I'll go over some of these safety features. So this here, it's an insulated handle so that you're not going to burn yourself. And then the glass on the door is actually double pane, and this one on the inside can be taken out and manually cleaned as well, in case there's some extra cleaning that needs to be done. Take you through and go over all the parts of the oven. So on the inside here we have the tray holders, and there's actually two different sizes. This one can be removed for a wider tray. Up here we have the steam spray nozzle, and back here we have the adapter point for the cleaning arm. Down here we have the drain, which actually also drains out into the floor. On the side, left-hand side here is the convection fan, and right here is the thermometer probe that can be inserted into the food tray during cooking. Just a couple more features. So down here we have the steam trays that you can put like broccoli and stuff on. That'll fit in the larger holders of the inside. And then over here we have the floor drain, which is connected to the drain that we showed you earlier inside. So now that it's actually in the steaming process, you can see the extra steam is running off here into the floor drain.
My name is Attema, and I'm going to explain to you how to use the Combi, or the Rational Combi oven for convection cooking. So the first thing that we're going to do is turn on the oven. So the way you do this is by pressing this I button, and this turns on the oven. The second thing we're going to do is press this wavy button, which is the convection cooking, and then we're going to set the time. There we go. Okay, set the time for 5 minutes. That's what we're going to use as an example today. Normally you want to set it for a little bit longer than you would preferably cook something, just to give it like a cushion of time. And now we're going to set the temperature by pressing the thermometer button, and we'll set it to 350 and press the thermometer. And so now the oven should be preheating for a few minutes to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So now I'm going to show you how to use the steaming function or part of the Combi oven. So we're going to turn on the oven again by pressing the I button. But this time, we're going to use the steaming function. So we're going to press this blue button and immediately press the timer and set our timer. So we're going to set it for 5 minutes again. And the temperature is already set at 212, which is what it should be set out. But if you did want to change it, all you do is press the thermometer and then use this knob to adjust the temperature and then press it again. So as you can see, the Combi oven, water is beginning to condense on the inside panel. This means that it's heating up. And normally it takes about 2 to 3 minutes for the Rational Combi oven to be preheated for steam. Alright, so one way to check what the actual temperature is in the Combi oven, if you don't know if it's ready or not, is by pressing this thermometer button right here, and holding it down. And so, as you can see, the temperature, the inside temperature is 206 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's not quite ready for steam cooking yet. So now that the oven is off, I'm going to show you how to open it. So there's an insulated handle right here, so you don't have to worry about burning yourself. But you do have to be careful while you open it because hot steam is going to come out. So I'll show you. So when you open it, you can see how hot it is inside and how the steam spreads everywhere. So when you're taking out your food, you just want to be careful not to put your face in the oven, or else you'll get a steam facial.
My name is Briauna, and I'm going to be showing you the cleaning methods of the Rational Combi oven. There's 4 different methods that this oven can use for different types of cleaning the oven, I guess. The first one is just a light cleaning for just a light residue, it's just a quick clean. The second one is for multiple batches, such as after a few batches of cookies. The third one is for fatty residues after cooking meat or something like that. And the fourth one is for a residue that has caramelized on the bottom, such as sugar that has been cooked in there. So I'm going to show you the different pieces of cleaning equipment that is in here. So we have the sanitizer, we have a caustic sanitizer here, and then a rinsing agent. On the inside of the oven there's a drain that the water drains into after the cleaning cycle, and in the back there is an adapter which this clean jet arm attaches to. It has two little holes right here that attach to the bottom, and the top just clicks into place. So as soon as it clicks into place, you just shut the door and the clean jet arm is in place in the oven, and the oven has recognized that it's there. Here you can see it's showing that it's in, and then the different levels. So this is the first one, and you just twist here, 2, 3, 4 for the quick cycle, and then you would just press start to begin the cycle. The cleaning cycle just finished. That was the buzzing noise that went off for 20 seconds, indicating that it's all done. So now that it's done, I'm going to open it up and remove the jet arm. One thing you do want to be careful of is the steam coming out is still hot, and a little bit of water. So you just reach in here and detach it with this click right there, and shake off the extra water. And you can see how clean the oven got, and that was just the quick cycle, which was 13 minutes.